If you want to know how to show the number of dislikes for a YouTube video, then you are at the right place. Here is an easy way to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: whenever you open a YouTube video, you can easily see the number of likes, but you cannot view the number of dislikes on the video. You can easily do that with a browser extension. Here is how to do so. Visit the Return YouTube Dislike page. Click on the Install button if it is not installed. Choose your web browser from the list. Add the extension to your browser and click on Add Extension. Once the extension is added, open a YouTube video to see the number of likes as well as dislikes. If you want to hide the number of dislikes, you can disable or remove the extension and you can add it again later. Here, we are showing how to disable the browser extension from Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome menu from the top right side. Click on Extensions. Select Manage Extensions. Turn the toggle off to disable the Return YouTube Dislike extension. If you want to remove the extension, click the Remove button. And there you have it, the way to show the number of dislikes for any YouTube video. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more games, tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the method. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.